Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to unarchive and unhide the post. Before that, you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, we go to Instagram application here. After that, you can click the symbol of the button and click this Step 3 in here. Click archive and you choose the photos that you unarchive and you can to appear in your feed. Click the photos and click 3 dots in the up of the photos. After that, you can show on profile and click it. It will take time to loading, and yeah, the photos is unarchived. Let's see in your feed. Refresh, and yeah, the photos in unarchived. This is a tutorial how unarchive and unhide the post. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you for the attention. Bye.